Hey guys, Sarah from ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the Red Rock 4x4 side armor with step pads, fitting your 07 through 18 two-door Jeep Wrangler JKs. These steps feature a heavy-duty tubular stainless steel construction with a textured black powder coat finish. These steps also include a plate steel step with raised grooves for access to your Jeep in all weather. So if you are an avid off-roader or you favor some more aggressive trails, I will note that these are not going to provide as much protection as a rock slider would, and this is because of how they mount to your Jeep. However, if you're just an occasional off-roader or if you prefer some more mild trails, these are definitely going to add some style and function to your Jeep, especially if it's lifted. Coming in at around $250, these are middle of the road price-wise when compared to other steps. But for the money, you're getting a convenient step with an aggressive appearance. I'm giving this install a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. These steps do feature a bolt-up installation and can be done in approximately 2 hours with the help of a friend. All right, let's jump right into our install. For this install, we used a 10mm wrench, 13mm socket, 10mm socket, a small extension, and an impact gun. Lift your step into place on the bottom of your Jeep. Make sure that you're lining up the brackets underneath with the holes on the bottom of your Jeep and that the brackets towards the front are behind the pinch weld. You may need a friend to help you with this one, but line up the holes and insert your hardware. With the larger bolt threaded into the bottom of our Jeep, line up the holes on your pinch weld and get your smaller hardware installed. Make sure you use a washer on both sides. Line up the other side of your step and insert the hardware into the threaded hole on the bottom of your Jeep. If you don't have a threaded hole here, there is a nut plate that you can use instead. Leave this loose so we can get the other smaller hardware installed on our pinch weld. Grab a 13mm socket and you may need an extension and tighten down the bolt going into the bottom of your Jeep. Grab your 10mm socket and 10mm wrench and tighten down the bolts on the pinch weld. Grab your 13mm socket and tighten down the other bolt holding in your steps. Grab your 10mm socket and 10mm wrench and tighten down the bolts holding your step on your pinch weld. All right, so that is going to do it for the review and install of our Red Rock 4x4 side armor. Remember, for all things Jeep, keep it at ExtremeTerrain.com.